Hello viewers, welcome back to my world. So for today's solo react Zhou Shen and Zhang Shaohan all the way to the flowers. I'm excited to watch this because I'm really fun about Zhou Shen, and if you haven't watched my own reaction about Zhou Shen, please just search my Christian vlogs and find my you guys, or I put my links on my description box below. Just click it. So please subscribe to my channel Christian vlogs and follow my social media account Christian Houses. No further ado, let's get started. I love this stage, guys. Wow, beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful voice. I love it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm really just impressed about both of them. The way they sing this song, it's really so magical and really beautiful. Ah, oh, that's really so heartwarming to see. Wow. Oh my god, I really just love about their high notes about this part. It's really so beautiful to ears. It's really so angelic and heavenly. It's really a word of heart. Oh, wow. They really do well about this performance. It's really so spectacular. I'm really just impressed with it. I'm really just speechless about this singing performance about both of them. Oh, it's really so sweet anyway. I feel I want to replay a little bit about this part because I can't get over it. So let's start a little bit about this part, right? The best duo ever anyway. Oh my god, the falsetto about Zhou Shen, it's really so amazing. Anyway, they both amazing guys. Ah, that's cute. Gosh, the high notes, I'm just really speechless. Wow, you're all so cute, huh? Beautiful. What a beautiful voice. Oh. That's it guys, I really so enjoy watching them because the way they sing this song, it's really so magical and very heavenly, and I really just impressed about that, and I feel like they really just nailed it and never disappoint us. So that's all my reaction about the Zhou Shen and Zhang Shaohan all the way to the flowers. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for needs from upcoming videos. Oh my guys.